Now, you said in Japanese there is the word magokoro.
Magokoro is hospitality.
Hospitality.
Yeah.
Here it is grandmother.
Oh yeah.
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 Magokoro. The mother to my father is called.
Recently, neighborhood teach me magokoro.
Magokoro.
Do you know magokoro shop?
Yeah, magokoro.
Magokoro shop in Keidokatan.
Yes. And
kiosk.
That's okay. So here we have Nakamura. Nakamura in Kenya is small boy. In Japan it is.
And the name.
The name.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they borrowed our name. Our.
Yeah? The Nakamura is the name.
What else is similar to Kenya from Japan?
Yeah. Pronunciation is similar. Yeah.
So when I talk of Nakamura, it's just the same way you pronounce in Japan.
Nakamura.
Okay.
Yes. Same pronounce.
What?
Maybe. Go away. And Wednesday took care.
This is the dragon fruit.
Yes.
Oh, is it also called the cactus?
Cactus.
Huh.
And they become this size.
Yeah, big.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You do eat this fruit in Japan?
Yeah, Japan. There are few.
There are few.
There.
Oh, okay. So there are many in Kenya.
Many in Kenya. I think Nakuru.
Oh, Nakuru.
Nakuru. Nakuru is good for dragon fruits.
Oh, dragon fruits. Oh, okay.
But I get dragon fruit seedling from Ahero.
Oh, Ahero.
Yeah,
there are many there.
Yes. Dragon fruits hate humid and cold place.
Okay.
And this place is humid and cold. But now, not rain coming.
Oh, yeah, sure.
And hot every day. Hot. And grow well. So grow well now.
Yeah. Because there's no rain there.
Before this point, as cold and humid day.
Yeah, so they're succulent.
Yes.
They're succulent, so that you can be able to sustain, to survive in hot environments.
Hot is good.
Yeah.
In the orange change color is bad.
Oh.
And I remove. Oh,
you removed it.
Orange point.
Oh, okay.
But now, orange point is so few. Before, so many. And I remove.
Oh, okay. Abagusii must igande nyetieko na umera umu Japanese. Tisa tawingia kwa gusiga mipango kia bwate ekirumya kumanya. Now, just to begin the interview.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Mimi ninaitwa Rimi Katabuchi.
Rimi Katabuchi.
Ninatoka Japan.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Unajua Kiswahili?
Ninasema Kiswahili kidogo.
Nimependa sana unajua Kiswahili.
Ninapenda.
Okay.
Yeah, Kiswahili. And ninapenda Kenyan food.
Oh, Kenyan food.
Yeah.
Okay. What is hello in Japanese?
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. And then the answer is?
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Okay. Konnichiwa.
Okay, now let's start. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
ありがとうございます。どういたしまして。どういたしまして is you are welcome.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now let's proceed and walk towards the other side. So this is still the dragon fruit, eh?
Yeah.
I mean, are they here? 1,
2. And next, Kerira school too.
Why do you choose the dragon fruits? Why do you like them?
This is become cash crop.
Where?
In Kenya.
In Kenya.
1 kilogram equal 1,000 Kenya shillings.
Is it having market in Japan? Does it have a market in Japan? Oh, it's
I
sold
don't.
here in Kenya.
Now I don't think. I not think Japanese market. I think Kenyan market.
Kenyan market.
Yeah.
People
Because
eat,
so expensive.
so expensive.
My Kenyan home.
Yeah.
No. I have not shamba.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Hapana. Yeah.
Now let's walk.
Yeah.
What other projects do you have here in Kenya?
Before I explain you, dry vegetable. Dry vegetable, I think Japanese. I think sell. I think to sell Japanese market.
Vegetables from Kenya, dried, then sold in Japan.
Yes.
Which kind of vegetables are these?
I think now I send to my friend and managu.
So,
And powder can sukuma powder
Skuma powder.
and cassava powder and
Avocado?
tea powder
Tea powder.
and avocado seed powder. I send.
So you take managu, dried,
Dry.
then grind it, pack, and then sent to sent to Japan.
Send to Japan.
So you've already sent a sample there.
I send somebody.
So you're waiting for the response.
Now this friend not response.
Okay.
And but he said maybe Japanese buy dry vegetable,
Okay.
Kenyan local vegetable.
Okay.
And now I try JICA friend.
Uh-huh.
And JICA friend good response.
Oh, okay.
And repeater.
Uh-huh.
And I say JICA friend.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
Now I'm liking this. Apart from managu, what else do you dry and send to Japan?
Avancement.
Which other vegetables
Which other
other than managu? Another vegetable.
Another vegetable.
Yeah.
I think saga
Uh-huh.
and African spinach.
Oh. It's also done. You package it and send.
No. And next try saga.
Saga.
I consult farmer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
But my Kenyan friend farmers said not to get many saga. Next time maybe her group, her farmers group.
Yes.
And I said I will say please help me correct saga.
Okay.
Her group. Yeah.
So you've already sent a sample of saga to Japan.
Yeah, I want to send,
So-
but now not to get product
Okay.
now.
So if they are accepted in Japan, you produce in large quantity and sell it to Japan.
Yeah, I want to sell. I want quantity.
Yes.
Yeah, first test time. Small. This time I sent 10 managu package.
Oh, okay.
One package 50 gram.
50 grams.
Yeah.
Now, so if the Japan people accept those samples, you will produce more from the community Gusii region and send to Japan.
Send to Japan.
Oh, okay.
But now not to decide the quantity.
Not decided. First try, then you will.
Try.
Yeah. Now, for those who are asking what you are talking about, abagusii baminto erenga dinagu dikoba dried. They have a packaged. They are shikoni waralia Japan. Kalina ulioka ne chinsaga ne spinach. Igomoroche no musubati ya chire Kenya go empower abagusii in a community yabo. So beautiful. Apart from vegetables, what else do you do here? What else? Which other program do you have?
Another program. Dragon fruits and dry vegetable and I want to import tea, Kenyan tea.
Kenyan tea.
First, I visited Nyankoba tea factory. Manager consult me, and he want to import Nyankoba tea to Japan.
Okay.
And I think how to say.
No, it's okay. I've understood that.
How to say and how to say again. Not to decide now. Sorry.
Okay.
Think again.
So you think about it and then later on you'll make a decision. Yeah, that's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Now, just thinking.
I think. Oh, you are in the.
Just thinking.
You are at the initial stages. You are thinking about it.
Just thinking.
Okay.
Okay.
And you talked about earrings, plastic earrings. What's that?
Plastic recycle plastic earring. My JICA friend made with domestic people.
You take plastics,
recycle them,
and then you make earrings.
You make earrings.
Which type of plastic? These bottles, water bottles.
Sorry, I don't know. Yeah, and okay, I will ask her.
Okay.
And next time I explain you.
That's okay.
That's it.
That's okay.
Okay.
So what did you say your name is?
Dimika.
Dimika who?
Dimika Tabuchi.
Dimika Tabuchi.
Yes.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Dimika
you so
Tabuchi.
much.
It has been an enjoyable interview.
Yes, thank you. I may enjoy too.
Looking forward to see the dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
This has been Dimika Tabuchi, who has been entertaining us and also informing us on the issues to do with the programs here in Kenya. We are going to do an extensive coverage on what they do. Abagusii, next time. Let's go.
Let's go. Miyamoto-san.
You know some Abagusii?
Only greeting.
Like which one?
Wakire, Wairire, Wairire via Makibono, and Miyamoto-san.
Even me, I know some Japanese. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
It's an entertaining language.
Language?
Yeah, Kisi is a good language, isn't it?
Kisi. Yeah, Kisi is a good language, but pronounce is difficult to Japan.
Oh.
And there are no pronounce. For example, I cannot. And egombe, there are no pronounce in Japanese language. Difficult. Students teach me, and egombe. I can. You can.
And which food do you like from Gusi here? Your best meal?
This place is banana matoke.
Oh, matoke is best.
Yeah, good. Every day eat matoke.
Do you know garlic?
Ugali. Yes. I eat ugali.
You eat ugali?
Yes.
With what?
And especially brown ugali.
Oh.
Yeah, brown ugali.
It is called obokima bobori.
Obokima bobori.
Yes.
Is it kisi?
That is kisi now.
Okay.
It's called obokima bobori, the brown ugali.
Obokima bobori.
Obokima bobori.
Obokima bobori.
Yes.
Thank you.
And do you know milk? This fermented.
Yeah.
The kisi. Do you eat that?
I have ever eating.
You eat it?
Yes, drinking.
That's nice.
That's nice. Yeah.
Thank you so much for empowering our community. I love that.
Thank you.
Now you will cook for us Japanese. Which one is the main food for Japans?
Rice. And today, not around him. And my Japanese student introduced fermented beans.
Oh, fermented beans. Oh, okay.
Japanese like fermented beans.
They like fermented beans. Oh, that's okay.
Oh, okay.
So do you have fermented beans here in Kenya?
No.
What Japanese food do you have? I want to eat Japanese food. Dimika Tabuchi.
I want to.
Yeah. Me, I want. Do you have Japanese food in Kenya? Have you prepared some?
Prepare. Soy sauce.
Oh, okay.
In Japanese, every day use soy sauce.
Oh, okay.
Likely salt. Kenyan use salt every day. Japanese use soy sauce every day.
Oh, you don't use salt.
Yeah, no.
Oh, okay.
We use salt and soy sauce is important for Japan.
For Japan?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Now, now you said in Japanese there is the word magokoro.
Magokoro is hospitality.
Hospitality.
Yeah.
Here it is grandmother.
Oh yeah.
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 Magokoro. The mother to my father is called.
Recently, neighborhood teach me Magokoro.
Magokoro.
Do you know Magokoro shop?
Yeah, Magokoro.
Magokoro shop in Keirokatan.
Yes. And
kiosk.
That's okay. So here we have Nakamura. Nakamura in Kenya is small boy. In Japan it is.
The name.
The name.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they borrowed our name, our. Yeah?
The Nakamura is the name.
What else is similar to Kenya from Japan?
Yeah. Pronunciation is similar. Yeah.
So when I talk of Nakamura, it's just the same way you pronounce in Japan.
Nakamura.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Same pronounce.